Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to speed up boot time on Windows. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually when you're opening your system, sometimes it takes much time to open, and this is because of lagging on your system. So here I'm going to show how to fix those issues. So my general opinion is to change your HDD to SSD, so it will give better solution for the issue. So our first step is to enter into the task manager to disable the startup apps. So once you enabled, please enter into the startup apps, and over there you may show a number of apps over there. So please disable the app that you don't want to open while starting your Windows. So here the ChatGPT is in enabled condition, so I don't want to open the app when my system got opened, so I just disabled it. So likewise you need to do for other apps, it's based on your wish. Yeah, once you're done, please close it. Yeah, so our second step is to configure the system. So for that you need to search system configuration on the search bar. Either you can search system or either you can search ms configure. So once you opened the system configuration, you need to enter into the boot settings. Yeah, over here you need to enter into the boot setting. Yeah, and then advanced option. Over here we need to enable number of processor. If it shows 4 in the sense, please select the 4. If your system only showing 2 in the sense, please select the 2. Or else if your system showing 16 in the sense, you need to select 4. So you need to select 4, either you don't have to. So once it selected, please click OK, and then you need to enter into your services and then enable the hide all Microsoft services. So here you need to disable the services. It's based on your opinion, like you need the antivirus mccafe, in the sense you can enable it. If you don't need such an operation to be performed, like in the sense, you can disable it. So here I disabled, the based on my opinion I disabled, and click apply and then click OK. Yeah, once it done, the configuration got processed. So our third step is to power configure the system. So for that you need to type power cfg.cpl. Once you entered, you need to enter into choose what the power button does. Please enter into that, and then you need to enable the turn on fast startup. So it's in recommended condition, so you need to enable that. If your system shows it's in disabled condition, in the sense, you need to click change setting that are currently unavailable. Once you clicked, you can have the access to enable the turn on fast startup. So once it's done, please save the changes and then close it. After that you need to restart your system. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.